Hi, I'm Bob. I'm an ADHD patient, and I want to find a website to track my daily diet to check if it's healthy for me. Here in the website, I can input what I have eaten today. For example, I have eaten beef wrap. I click search, and oh yeah, I have found it. I have eaten 2 wraps today, and I add to my food list. Let's have a check. Oh, sure, it's in the food list. And then I eat some beans today. Also search. Yeah, this is what I eat. Black beans, and I can check my food list. Yeah, it's in my food list, and then I can see the total consumption of nutrition about, for example, energy, fiber, and fat. And I can see the nutrition ratio comparing to the standard ADHD nutrition ratio, and I have eaten too much carbon today and paid protein and too little fat. I will eat more fat tomorrow. I will change my eating diet. Thanks.